Hi everyone, welcome to Gallant AS. This is Let's Score 120 Plus in Prelims 2021 series. Here we will be discussing the potential questions for the upcoming prelims. The question is, consider the following statements regarding new green tax policy. So the question is on new green tax policy. The first statement, transport vehicles older than 15 years could be charged 5 to 10% of road tax at the time of renewal of fitness certificate. Statement number 2. City buses and public transport vehicles would attract a lower rate of green tax. Statement number 3. The tax rate would differ between petrol and diesel powered vehicles. So you should select the correct statement. The first statement, it is given that transport vehicles older than 15 years could be charged 5 to 10% of road tax at the time of renewal of fitness certificate. UPC has a tendency to change these numbers, so we can assume these numbers may be wrong. So we can eliminate the statement number 1 and the remaining option is option C 2, 1, 3. We got the answer option C 2 and 3. So let's take the remaining statements. The statement number 2. City buses and public transport vehicles would attract a lower rate of green tax. We know through this green tax policy, the government aims to reduce the vehicle emissions, and through this reduction of vehicle emissions, we can reduce the air pollution. Okay, so and these public transport vehicles are more advantageous when compared to the private vehicles. Okay, because we can, through this use of public transport vehicles, we can reduce the emissions. So the city buses and public transport vehicles would attract a lower rate of green tax. And the statement number 3, the tax rate would differ between petrol and diesel powered vehicles. We know these prices of petrol and diesel are different, so we can assume these tax rate would differ between petrol and diesel powered vehicles. So let's take the answer. The answer is option C 2 and 3. Okay, let's move on to the explanation. Under the new green tax structure, transport vehicles older than 8 years could be charged at the rate of 10 to 25% of road tax at the time of renewal of fitness certificate. So in the case of transport vehicles older than 8 years, you could be charged at the rate of 10 to 25% of road tax at the time of renewal of fitness certificate. Okay, in this question it is given that older than 15 years, but actually it is older than 8 years, and the rate of charge is 10 to 25%. Okay, then while these city buses and public transport vehicles would attract a lower rate of green tax, then some vehicles are exempt from this green tax entirely, and this is important. These are electric vehicles, then fully hybrid vehicles, then along with CNG, ethanol, LPG powered vehicles, along with farm equipment. So these are exempt from this green tax entirely. Then the tax rate would differ between petrol and diesel powered vehicles. We have already discussed this. Okay, so these government of India has launched this green tax policy in order to reduce the air pollution. And under this new green tax structure, transport vehicles older than 8 years could be charged at the rate of 10 to 25% of road tax at the time of renewal of fitness certificate. Then these city buses and public transport vehicles would attract a lower rate of green tax. There are some vehicles would exempt from these green tax entirely, and these are electric vehicles, hybrid vehicles, along with CNG, ethanol, LPG powered vehicles, and then farm equipment. So these are exempt from this green tax. Okay, so the answer is option C 2, 1, 3 only. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Which of the following organizations or bodies published the Energy Technology Perspective Report 2020, which was released recently? So the question is on Energy Technology Perspective Index. So let's take the options. The first option is given that International Energy Agency. We can connect this International Energy Agency with this Energy Technology Perspective Report, because this International Energy Agency works in the field of energy. So we can connect with this International Energy Agency with this report. Then the option B, it is given that UN Sustainable Development Solutions Network. We cannot directly link this UN Sustainable Development Solutions with the network with the given report. So we can eliminate this. Then option C, World Economic Forum. This World Economic Forum and its reports are important because UPSC has already asked questions from this World Economic Forum and its reports. And we know the energy related report published by World Economic Forum is Energy Transition Index. Okay. So this Energy Transition Index is released by World Economic Forum. So we can eliminate this option C, and the remaining option is option D, International Solar Alliance. We know solar energy is a renewable energy, and but in this question it is given that Energy Technology Perspective Report. Because in the it is not related to renewable energy, so we can assume that this option D will be wrong. Okay, so the answer is option A, International Energy Agency. So this International Energy Agency has published this Energy Technology Perspectives Report 2020. So let us discuss about the International Energy Agency. So this International Energy Agency, it is an autonomous organization which works to ensure reliable, affordable and clean energy. From the name itself, it is an autonomous organization which works in the field of energy. Okay. Then it was published in the wake of 1973 oil crisis, after OPEC cartel had stoked the world with a steep increase in oil prices. So it is established in the wake of oil crisis after 1973. Okay, then its headquarters is in Paris. Okay, then India became an associated member of this International Energy Agency in 2017. So this is a potential question. India is not a member of International Energy Agency. It is an associated member only. India is an associated member only. It is not a member, it is only an associated member. Okay, so the option the answer is option A, International Energy Agency. Okay, thank you.